Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a camera shake effect in CapCut PC. This is a simple effect, but it can make a big difference when you want your edit to feel more active, more exciting, and less static. If you want to give your video a bit more energy, or create that natural handheld bounce during a transition, CapCut makes it very easy to do. The key is using one of the built-in video effects and then adjusting it so it feels smooth and professional instead of looking too extreme. This kind of effect works well for music edits, gaming clips, sports highlights, travel videos, action moments, and even quick social media transitions where you want the viewer to feel more movement on screen. To get started, go to the very top left area of the CapCut window and click on the Effects tab. Once you're there, look over to the left sidebar under Video Effects. You'll see a list of categories. Scroll down through that list until you find the nightclub folder, then click it to open it. This section contains several motion style effects, and that's where you'll find the shake effect we need. If you do not see it immediately, take a moment to scroll carefully because CapCut's effect categories can sometimes look a little different depending on the version you are using. Now, take a moment to browse through the effect thumbnails in that category until you find the one simply called Shake. When you see it, hover your mouse over the thumbnail and click the blue plus icon in the corner. As soon as you do that, CapCut will apply the effect and place it directly onto your timeline as a purple effect layer above your footage. That purple bar is what controls the camera shake, so if you don't immediately notice the movement in the preview, make sure the playhead is over the section where the effect has been added. This is important because the effect will only show while the playhead is passing through that purple layer. Next, click on the purple effect bar in your timeline to select it. This is important because selecting it lets you customize how the shake behaves. After that, move your attention to the top right Properties panel. Under the Special Effects settings, you'll see controls that let you fine-tune the movement. These settings are useful because a camera shake effect can look very different depending on the speed, strength, and overall motion style you choose. For a cleaner and more polished look, drag the speed slider down to around 15. Then, lower the atmosphere or intensity slider to about 20. These settings help create a softer, more realistic camera bob. That way, the motion adds energy without making your footage feel overly chaotic or distorted. If the shake is too strong, it can distract the viewer, but if it is subtle, it can make the clip feel more natural and professionally edited. This is especially useful if you want the effect to enhance a transition or add subtle movement while keeping the video easy to watch. For example, you can place it right where one clip cuts into another, or use it during a beat drop, impact moment, zoom, or fast movement in the footage. The goal is to make the shake support the edit, not overpower it. And that's it. With just a few quick adjustments, you've added subtle handheld motion dynamics in CapCut on PC. If you want the result to feel even more natural, preview the clip once or twice after applying the effect, so you can make sure the movement matches the pacing of your edit. Once it looks right, you're done.